So I saw your question on Blackboard about how to, in the discussion board, how to solve this equation. Now also you mentioned a test due today. I don't think there's a test due today, but there is some homework assignments that are due today. First thing you want to do is look at this and determine the LCD, or the least common denominator. You got denominators of x, 2, and 3. What's the smallest thing 2 and 3 go into? 6, and also you have an x. So the LCD 6x. Next thing you want to do is multiply each side by 6x, and then you distribute here, so you multiply each term by 6x. So you're multiplying 6x times each of these terms here in the equation. Now the 6x can be placed over 1, and then you want to simplify here. You know, the x's will drop out, leaving you just plain 6. And you got 6x times a half. 2 goes into 6 3 times, and you're left 3x times 1, or 3x. Then you have 6x times 1/3. You know, 3 goes into 6 2 times. You have 2x here times 1, or 2x. You want to subtract 3x from each side. And so you have 6 equal negative x. Need plain x here, so divide each side by -1. This up just a little bit, and so you can see the answer. And so you get x equal -6. Hope this helps.